A new generation of autonomous underwater technology has arrived. German startup EuroAtlas has officially introduced the Greyshark unmanned submarine, an advanced underwater drone capable of operating for up to 4 months without surfacing and without support from a crewed ship. The project could completely transform underwater surveillance, mine detection, and maritime security operations. According to EuroAtlas, 6 Greyshark drones controlled by a single operator could fully map the Strait of Hormuz in just 1 day. This region became especially important after reports that sea mines had been deployed there in 2026, with their exact locations later becoming unknown. Greyshark was designed specifically for missions that are too dangerous, expensive, or difficult for traditional naval vessels. Unlike standard submarines, the drone operates entirely autonomously using hydrogen fuel cell technology. At low speeds of approximately 4 knots, the vehicle can travel almost 20,000 kilometers without resurfacing. At cruising speed, its operational range remains close to 2,000 kilometers. That is comparable to traveling from Bremen to Tokyo without stopping. The underwater drone carries an advanced suite of 17 different sensors. These include dual-frequency acoustic sensors, LiDAR systems, pressure sensors, and side detection technologies. All systems work simultaneously and feed information into a centralized onboard AI processing network. By analyzing objects from multiple angles at the same time, the drone can identify underwater threats with extremely high precision. The seabed imaging resolution reaches approximately 4 centimeters per pixel, detailed enough to distinguish naval mines hidden among rocks and underwater terrain. Greyshark can independently choose routes, scan assigned sectors in grid patterns, detect suspicious objects, and instantly transmit findings to operators. When multiple drones operate together, they exchange data in real time and cover enormous underwater areas much faster than traditional crewed warships. But mine detection is only part of the mission. EuroAtlas also believes Greyshark could become a major tool against underwater smuggling operations. Drug traffickers have increasingly used homemade submarines to move illegal cargo across oceans, while avoiding radar and Coast Guard systems. Greyshark's AI systems are capable of calculating thousands of possible underwater routes and narrowing search zones to precise coordinates. Several NATO countries have already shown interest in the technology. Sea trials are expected to begin in August 2026, where engineers will test endurance, navigation systems, and real-world sensor performance. Today, no navy in the world can continuously monitor massive underwater regions using only human-operated systems. Greyshark may change that completely. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more future military and science technology content.